Today we are here to look at the tertiary sector. And indeed, I think that it is the most important part of this whole equation. Except that you can't go to it efficiently and effectively if you don't have the upstream part in place.
Developing an integrated industry does not stop at the upstream. There is therefore the need to develop the downstream industry to ensure the entire value chain of the industry has adequate linkages to other sectors of the economy. That is why we have gathered here today.
Ghana is daring to lead. Ghana is daring to do something different in this space. And with all your support, I know that we will be successful. We have a unique opportunity. I think we can build and realize the President's vision of a Ghana without aid. GIADEC, I think, gives concrete credence to what the President means by government beyond aid, where we're adding value to our raw materials, going down to the development of downstream industries.